Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we are talking about the just launched Binance Junior Crypto App. So all your questions related to the Binance Junior App, let's discuss over here. But before that, I would request you, if you have not yet subscribed to YouTube channel, to kindly do so. Do press the bell icon and continue receiving updates. So moving on to the app, what it is basically going to allow, basically it allows to create account for kids in the range of 6 to 17, wherein you can teach them to save crypto and for that matter even earn crypto using the API payouts. And for the accounts wherein you have set restrictions, you can send crypto across from Binance Junior to Junior payments also. So the setup is just like a breeze, one, two, three. What you need to have is first a parental account. So to create an account, you need to have one of your own. Second is you download the Binance Junior app from the Apple Play Store or the Google Play Store. And then what you need to do is you need to open the Binance Junior app and scan the QR code generated from the main Binance app. So this is all about how you do the setup. So obviously you'll have a lot of questions. So let's discuss the FAQs of the same. So what is a Binance Junior account? Basically, the Binance Junior account is a family-centric and secure way for parents to introduce crypto to their kids. The account is opened as a sub-account of the parent's master account. So basically, whatever your account is, a sub account will be opened for your kid, and that is why you need to scan the parental account on the junior account which is there. So next is who is junior account for? Like, so basically this will be for young users between the age of 6 to 17. The young users parents need to be an existing Binance user, and they have to have their KYC completed and have the 2FA, that is two-factor authorization. They can then create a junior account by providing necessary info over there. Then what features are enabled on the Binance Junior app? So it allows users to earn in crypto via Junior Flexible Simple Earn. Now this will again depend on jurisdiction, so you'll need to check their respective country whether it allows or not, and thus it supports financial learning and saving for kids. Parents can transfer funds directly into their junior account via the parent's master account or deposit via on-chain transfers. Users who are 13 or above will also be allowed to use the Binance Pay function to transact with other Binance Junior accounts and parental account with daily limits applied. So basically, users who are 13 and above and wherein the parent has allowed them, they will be able to do Binance Pay transactions from one Binance Junior account to another. So what do you need? As discussed, first a parent's account over here. So once you have, you go to the Binance Junior program via the main app under more on the home page and gifts and campaigns. Next, the junior account you need to download from the junior app. Then once it is downloaded, you need to scan the QR code of the parent app. So how many accounts, junior accounts can, if you have more than one kid, you can open up to 5 Binance Junior accounts over here. So what transaction limits are placed? Binance Junior accounts can transfer only to other junior accounts and their associated parent account. Additionally, there is a 400 USD daily send limit for transfer to junior account. So thus this upper cap of 400 USD is protecting from unauthorized transfers over here. So does the parent need to take any additional steps? So no, besides the things what has been discussed, no other additional steps needs to be there. So why do age restrictions apply, and does it vary from country to country? Yes, Binance age restriction does apply. So you can see over here currently for age 14, Austria, Spain, Italy, Lithuania, Cyprus, Bulgaria, South Korea. Age 15 plus, France, Greece, Slovenia, Czech Republic. Age 16 plus, you have Brazil, Germany, Luxembourg, Ireland, Poland. So this is not an all inclusive list. This is an illustration of what is there, you need to visit the Binance website to see which countries are currently being allowed. So I hope this particular video was useful, and I'm sure you're going to be wanting to download and create a new app for your kids and teach them the concept of saving crypto, and might as well the API earnings via crypto. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. Do like this video. Until the next video, take care and be safe.